Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, chaps. It is the 6th of November. It's currently 7 in the evening. And welcome back some more Daily Rainy Nonograms. Once again, I'm accompanied by a guest that goes by the name of Really Rainy Fan. They're gonna be listening as I try to complete this puzzle. And not gonna lie, don't really know where to start. Like, look at those edges. I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna try some random crap and I'll see where that goes. Alright, let's start. Um, Dead center here is a 1961. That probably takes me all the way, right? Almost. -2. But that is like dead center and we can't get any information from that. Let's keep going. 7, 14, 2. -5. -5, 2. 1, 4, 12, 4. -6. Like that. Alright. Would have been great leads if it weren't in the dead center. 2, 11, 1, 3, -5, 8, 8, 4. Let's start from the other side. 3, 5, 4, 8, -2. Huh, actually that's pretty interesting. Oh hey, wait. That's a 10. That means we can cross all of this out. Wait, that's actually massive. Hang on. Okay. Wait, we have a lead. We have a real lead actually. 10 has to be the... You know what, let's get to that later. Actually, let's get to that now. There's nothing else to get to. Alright, then... Yeah, it has to be up there. So -4. Then 10... 8... 1 -5. But we can count that. Right? Yes. Should be correct. Alright. Maybe we can play off this. That's a 5, that's a 6. That's a 2, that's a 1. 5, 2. 3, 2, 1. So 4, 6, 6. That's a 1, 5. Okay. That's a 6. -1. Extend 10, 10, 4. Alright. Actually, that's actually pretty decent. 3, 3, 4, 3. That's a 7. We can block this and that. 3. Alright. Okay. We do have a start. We have a start because this is a 4 and that's a 3. 6, 6, 6, 4, 5. Nothing here. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Nothing here. That's a 4. 2. Those are the 10s. I bet we can extend this for 8. Start from the other side. No, we can't. Okay. 4, 8. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, we can't extend it. What about this? 1, 4, 9. -5. Okay. What else? 8, 1, 4. -4. Oh wait, what am I saying? Nope, nothing. 1, 9, 4, 5. -3. Like that. 6, 7, 9, 4. That's a 1. That's a 6. Part of the 7. Block this off. Oh, this is the 6 right there. That's a 4. Nice. 4, 3, 4. What if it's here? 4, 4, 2, 1. It can't be there. Okay. Hmm. 1, 7. Minus 5, like that. So that's that's a 4. That's a 3. That is a 7. That's a 1. Block this. This is a 9. Okay. Oh wait, that's why the 6. Ooh, nice actually. 3. Yeah, okay. Nothing. 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 Yeah. Yeah, that fits. Because now 4, 3, 4, 4, 2, 1 does not fit down there. So this has to be a 4, that's a 2, that's a 1. 6, 1, 3, nothing here, that's a 3. Nothing here. So 4, 3, 4, 4. That's a 1, that's a 3, that's a 4. 6, 1, 3, 3. That's a 3. Nothing. 8. Nothing here. 3, 2, 1. This has to be the 4. Yeah. That's a 3. That's a 3. Here's a 1. That's a 2. 5. That's a 6. That's a 2. 6, 1, 3, 3, 1, complete. Nothing, nothing. Alright. Where to go now? No. 1, 7, 2. And then yeah. So that's okay. So we can split that. That's a 3. That's a 4. That's a 2. That's a 9. That's a 19. Yeah. That's a 4. That's a 5. Okay. 3, 2, 1. 3. Nice. That's a 4. 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. Yep. 3, 1, 3. That's great. 3, 1, 4. Okay. This is part of the 7, so limit that. That's a 2. That's at least a 4. This has to be a 3. That's a part of the 4. Hmm. We can extend this then. Um, 10 to minus 6. Yep. Wait, it's minus 5 though. Wait, what's wrong? 2. 10 and 2. Alright, sure. That's a 3 right there. Nothing here. That's an 8. Minus 2. This is part of the 7. Lost my train of thought there for some reason. What was I even looking at? This is at least a 2, that's a 9. Wait, I'll do that. That's a 9. Blah, 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 blah. I'm a little stuck. I'm just not seeing something. There's something I'm not seeing. There's definitely something I'm missing. I'll keep looking. What could it be? 4, 3, 3. Wait, can we extend this? 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2. No, we can't. What am I talking about? Ah, wait. Here we go. That's that's part of the 5. Wait, we can extend this 8, and then the 5. Crap, let me do that the other way. Hang on. As I was saying, this is a 5. This is an 8. Minus 2, minus 1. Okay. That gets us something. Not a lot. We can limit that. I'm a little struggling. Huh. I feel like there's something I can extend, and I'm just not seeing it. 3, 7, 1, minus 6. Yeah, there was. That's a 5. Okay. Let's solve for that though. Am I still correct? I'm still correct. 1, 9, 4. Ah, wait. 4 minus 3. Oh wait, no, that doesn't give me anything. Ooh, I bet I can extend this. 2, 11, 1, minus 3. Yeah, I sure can. Nothing here. Nothing here. Not very helpful though. Wait. Am I thinking this right? One, if this is a 1, that's a 2. This cannot be a 6. So, if I'm understanding this correctly, this is guaranteed to be a 2. And this is an 11. Oh my god, if I actually figure that out, I'm so smart. I'm checking. Yeah, wow. Holy big brain. It's 1. Nice. So we can extend that. And that's a 5. No, it's at least a 2. It's okay. Oh. 1, 7, 2, 1, 3, 1. At least that completes that. This is difficult. Ah, wait. This is a 7 minus 2. There is a 3 right there. Okay. So 4, 1, 3. Is everything accounted for? Yeah. 1, 4, 6. Ah, nice. Okay. Got that out of the way. So that's a 5. That's a 2. There's a 4. Complete. That's a 3. 2, 1, 1. We can cross out a lot of things from that. That's a 3, 1, 4. That's a 4. It's a 9. Okay, nice. Okay, I bet I can make lots of progress from that actually. That's a really good find. That, because this is a 4 and that's a 7 and that is a 4. Yep. Yeah. Nothing here. That's an 8. So nothing here. And that's an 8. So nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing here. That's a 3. That's a 1. That's a 1. We're free to extend this 8 now. Minus 2. 8 minus 2. 4. 7. 9. This is a 3. This is a 4. Yeah, that looks good to me. There's nothing here. I extend this 4. That's the 8. That's a 3. That's a 3. Cross everything out. This is part of the 7 over here. That's part of the 6. Yeah. To do 5 means nothing here. So nothing here. So 10, 8, 1. And 4, 3, 4, 4, 2, 1. Like that. Great. This is a 6. That is a 7. Yeah. That's a 6. That's the finished 7 right there. That has to be a 4. And this has to be the 12. And there's a 4 and a 1 up there too. So that's complete. 4, 4, 5, 9, 7, nothing. 5, nothing. 4, 3. Yeah, that's a cross. Oh, since that is a cross, there's nothing over here, nothing here. That's a 4. That's a 3. That's a 5. So 1, 2, 2. Nothing. 1, 3, 5, 6 complete. 4, 4, 6 complete. 2. Yep. 5, 4, 4 complete. 1, 3, 8, 8. Nothing. 7, 3, 3. That's a 3 also. Nothing here. That's nothing. That's a 2. That's a 3. That's a 3. 7, 14. And then 2. Complete. 1, 7, 3. Yep. This is our 6. This is extendable to there. Nothing here. That's a 1. That's a 3. Nothing here. That's a 2. This is a 4. Yeah. That's a 4. 1, 7. Yeah, great. Nothing here. Yeah. 2, 3. Limit that there. 3, 1, 4, 1, 3. Nothing here. Oh, we can extend this 2. I mean, we can extend this 10. Yeah, like that. That's a 7. It's a 1. 3, 1, 4, 1, 3. Nice. That's a 2. That's a 4. 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. 3, 1, 3 complete. 3, 1, 4, 1, 3. That's a 1 right there. Nothing here. That's a 2. That's a 4. 3, 1, 4, 1, 3. Yeah. That's a 4. 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1. Done. Yeah. Nothing here. That's a 2. 7, 9, 7. 9, 4, 3, 4. Got that. 7, 4. 4, 1, minus 2. That's an 8. That's a 4. 2, 1, 1. Yeah. 7. Yeah. 4, 3, 6. Done. 7, 4, 1, 9. 9, 4, 3, 4. Nothing here. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. This is a 6. Nothing here. Oh, 1961 completes that. Very nice. Very nice. That's a 2, so there's a 1 that completes that. I'm still correct, right? Please tell me I'm still correct. I'm still correct. Very nice. Anything? That's a 7. Like that. Sorry, hang on, give me a second. Hang on, guys, just getting chatted. Alright, let's continue. Okay, so this, it's a 2. Where am I going with this? Where are the gaps? Wait, this is a 3. So that's a 3. So that's a 4. That's a 9. So 4, 1, complete. That's a 2. 3, 3, 1, 2. Nice. That's a 2. 1, 2, 6. Yep. That's a 10 right there. It's a 2. 2, 2, 2 to 5. It's at least a 2. That's a 3. That's a 3. That's a 4. That's a 1 complete. That's a 2. Yeah. 3 to 1 for 3. Yeah, because there's a 3 over here. So 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1 complete. That's a 1. 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 7, 6. Yep. 3, 1, 7, 1, 2, 6, 2, 1. So that's a 3, 3, 4, 2. That's a 4. That's a 2. That's a 3. 7, 5, 1, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. 2, 2, 4. 2, 4. 8. 7, 4, 1, 9. I'm about to finish. 2, 2, 4, 2, 4. Right, last 3 blocks. So 1, 1. And that should be the last. Yeah, done. In 29:28, almost half an hour. Alright, sure. I'll take that. I'll take that. Alright, I'm gonna go upload this. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.